Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditya, and I represent a company that innovates solutions for healthcare. And it's a complete medical office management solution. Uh, and we are certified by CMS, and we offer solutions in the medical billing area. I think most of the people in some way here are connected with the doctor's offices, either as a patient or as a accountant or a vendor who is giving the services to that. So the doctor's office has two main big problems. One is the patient billing is very complicated, and in the sense, it may be a simple office visit, but after the patient is checked out, there are many activities that happens around the some portion patient pays and some portion insurance pays, and there is a vendor that is giving the services in making sure that the claims are processed well. In this whole chain, there are multiple entities involved in this. The financial data just is not just at one place. It is in the payers area, it is in the medical billing system, and some portion of the information is keyed into the accountant system, in this case the QuickBooks. So there are duplicate entries, double entries, and there is a lot of inefficiencies in this. So one of the important things that we observed as a solution providers is that the unclean bill actually creates cash flow problems. So to solve this, for us, it is very important to have real-time integration with QuickBooks, and because most of our accountants, doctor's office accountants, they are using QuickBooks. So, and we are exchanging the insurance claims and payments and all that stuff there. So in the last 2 days, I tried to map these business workflows as much as possible by defining patient as a customer, and for the doctor office, and there are invoices which are mapped to the patient office visits, and then they are receiving payments, and then and in multiple stages the things are getting dispersed. So what you see is here Module MD's complete EHR solution, where a reception view of a patient. And you see October 1st, there was an encounter made, office visit, and doctor provided some service. And out of that, some amount of money has been paid by insurance, and something has been collected by as a co-pay at the front office. So this information is just before the demo, I just created it so that you could see this.
I have a question. So it pulls in all the insurance billing information. Is it like compatible enough to use with something that's not like an MD? Like, who's your competitor? Like ChiroTouch, can you use it with a chiropractor?
Yeah, so what happens is in the back office, there is a claim processing that is happening in its own workflow. And once the reimbursement is done, we get an information that it is being paid by the payer into the system. And then the physical check or electronic transfer would have happened, and it gets downloaded into the QuickBook Online account, and we are sending the the information from here as a payment done. They get reconciled based on the transaction.
Does it support Medicare deposits?
Yes.
Now, was this application integrated with the QuickBooks on like the desktop version before, and now you've done it online, or is it?
No. This is the first time we are actually connecting with the QuickBooks, because we are web-based, cloud SaaS-based solution. So it is a very important, and we saw a market, an immediate market right away. And I have some few accountants here with them. I've run it. I think most of the accountants touch the doctor in some way or the other, at least one customer. And I know that it's a nightmare to reconcile all this information. So we believe that with this solution, we can make things easy for both doctors as well as the accountants.
So there is automatic connection to the insurance payers,
yes,
and all of that?
That's already there in production for us. So we are like in production, and this is only an add-on for us, and it helps, and it adds now accountants as a good value into this whole workflow. Thank you.